Alright fam, welcome to the headquarters. We have Dilly decals and I'm about to package them. And what's really cool about the Dilly decals is that if you order them, I will be shipping them, or I will be using the Bud Light cardboard to package them. It's been a while since I started one of my videos with the exhaust. I have no idea what I'm gonna do today. I just brought the camera along with me. I'm gonna go meet up with Richard and everybody, but not sure what I'm gonna do. Not sure what this vlog's gonna be about, but it's gonna be a good one, so stay tuned. Just parking next to Richard so that way his car will be protected from other people. I'm such a good friend. Alright guys, welcome to today's video. I'm here with my buddy Garrett. He has an LLY Duramax as well. And he's trying to tune it. He has the PPEI tune just like mine with the CTS2 Edge Corey Willis. And then yeah, we're trying to tune it right now because he keeps getting that error message with a 0281. Same code that I had, and we're gonna try to figure out why it's not tuning. Yeah, he has a cat eye. I have the GMC. I've always wanted a cat eye, and he's got it.
JW Montour doing a live Facebook or YouTube video.
So you got a what, 3-inch leveling kit?
Yep, 3-inch leveling kit.
Looks good.
From Rough Country. It's got the angled ball upper control arms for the ball joint, and 33 1250s and on 20 by 12 -44 offset.
Yeah, I was telling him that I thought it was like a 6-inch lift. Looked pretty tall. You said it's 33?
Yep.
Nice.
Excuse all this mess. I was removing the molding, and I work so many hours.
Yeah.
I just do it little by little as I go.
Yeah, trust me, I had mine on there for like 6 weeks.
Yeah.
I was like, finally, you know, screw it, I'll do it.
Yep.
All right, well, let's get this baby tuned and then go for a test drive after.
Oh yeah. Appreciate the help. We'll try it and see how it works.
All right, brother man.
All right. Thanks, buddy. Say hey to YouTube.
Okay. All right, man. See you.
All right, see ya.
Yep, bye.
All right, so we had to call TruckMaster because we couldn't figure it out, but we're gonna disconnect both of the batteries
For 10 minutes.
for 10 minutes, and I'm thinking that'll work.
Hopefully.
I
Cross your fingers.
I think it'll work.
Great.
All right, let's do it.
Yep. Let's go for it.
All right, so it's been 10 minutes. We're gonna try to tune it again. All right, crossing fingers that it works.
See what you're doing. Tuning tool. Program full. There's my program.
It's too bright. The camera's too stupid. All right, we got all the trucks out here. Mark, you want to give us a little tour around your truck?
What you want to know?
Everything.
It's a 13.
What should we know?
You should know that it was built by me.
All right, and he's gonna be doing the gearbox for me, and then maybe the bumper.
It's got 12-inch suspension lift, 3-inch body lift, 22 by 14 and 37. I hand built the custom headlights. I didn't order them. I built them myself.
Oh, you built them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I still got a powder coat and just paint all the suspension.
So it's what size super lift? 9?
That's a 12-inch.
That's a 12-inch
8-inch
lift.
with a 4-inch stack.
Okay.
Always struts.
Okay. All right, so before people start asking, is it 2-wheel drive?
What you think?
Yeah.
It's the biggest 2-wheel drive in Augusta.
It is, it is.
The biggest dude,
You said you got 35s?
37.
37s?
I see it. probably is, but sound works fine too. Two-wheel drive. Get better gas mileage that way.
All right, what kind of exhaust you got?
It's a Flowmaster 40.
Flowmaster 40.
20 and dual out.
Okay.
It's got the 4-inch downpipe, stock 4-inch downpipe.
All right, you want to crank it up for me? All right, let's hear it. Step on it. Step on it a little bit. See? We're gonna do exhaust for all the trucks.
Sure.
What you got?
Straight pipe for cats. And it's cut way up underneath there.
That's a LLY Duramax for you. Fist bump.
That's alright.
Man, he left me hanging.
Not bad, dude.
Dilly dilly.
That's right. Dilly dilly.
Alright, if you're from Augusta and you see this blue GMC Sierra and you think you're faster than him, don't try him. 'Cause it's got a turbo. And then you just spent what, 10 grand you said?
Something like that.
Something like that. Hey, you got a tune, you wanna race him?
Mine's lifted. Mine's just for a look.
Just for a look?
Dual man. It made riding 600 for on stock motor.
To the wheel? Grandma, can I hear it?
There's that bitch.
How does that turbo sound?
Fuck diesel, boy. Show up, my boy. Fuck diesel.
It's okay, LLY for life.
That's right.
on the stock motor.
The what?
The video racing a 6th gen Corvette.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I raced a Trailblazer SS, and then I raced 6th gen Camaro with long tubes, full bolt-ons, and it lifted a wheel on the street.
So the thing is, you don't expect this to be fast. Is that your turbo?
Yeah.
Woo! Is that four-wheel drive? Mm-hmm. This guy about to drop 10 grand now.
Easy money.
Easy money.
Easy go.
It's just money.
Okay, take this gotta make more money.
Huh?
That's about it.
Yeah.
This gotta make more money.
Yeah.
Let's work more hard. Make it every day.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah. Never been in a gas truck with a turbo.
Alright, JW, get this first.
What?
He got a baby seat.
I'll be right back.
You got a baby seat?
And he got turbo.
And it's for Caro.
I can't see.
It's for Caro.
Oh shit. Alright. Alright, let me put my seatbelt on real quick.
I don't need no seatbelt. I want to
You gotta turn the lights on?
every single thing.
You're not gonna put a seatbelt on?
No.
He likes to live on the edge.
Yeah. Ride hard, die free. That's right.
Hey, we thought your truck was fast when we tuned it. Remember?
Yeah. Just a little trap with me.
Sorry. Hold on. I might shit my pants. Oh shit.
It's like riding a roller coaster.
Oh shit. Nice. And that granny's like, alright man, I'll move out the way, damn.
Nah, that's a dilly dilly, baby.
Oh lord.
That's just sick.
I need to upgrade the turbo on my car.
Oh my god, it makes me want to drop 10 grand.
We never should have been in this truck. I think we made a very... Let's get rid of your lip kit.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop them.
We made a big mistake riding in this truck. We're gonna drop 10 grand.
Big mistake on lifting the truck.
What do you think?
I legitimately didn't expect it to be this fast.
It was 6,000 pounds.
6,000 pounds.
Leveled with 33s.
Woo! Damn. Damn. And then let's not forget the baby seats. I appreciate it.
Not a problem.
Turn that shit screaming? Alright, you see this? That blue GMC in Augusta, Georgia? I dare you to try.
I bought a manifold.
I thought with my little edge, you know.
You thought that shit was fast. No, we were like, oh shit, it's
Nah,
so
bro.
fast.
That's a child play. That's a real man truck, man.
Right.
And the people I bought it from.
I mean, I wish y'all can hear this,
Everything's
like literally, like in the person. That's sick. I mean, like my truck, like intake just. I mean, this? You talking about screaming and camming? Got my heart pumping. Can't even speak right now. I got my heart pumping.
Is
my
that why
leg
you can't
shaking,
speak?
boy.
Dilly.
My leg is shaking.
Gotta go change my pants. Turbo diesel. LLY.
Do it.
LLY 5-inch straight pipe,
Oh yeah.
3-inch down pipe.
That's right.
Roll cold, baby. Roll cold. Alright, dilly. That is it for today's video. What is that? Dilly.
Dilly.
Yeah, so that was a 2015 gas truck turbocharged.
Oh,
That was fast.
boy.
So John's gonna turbocharge his, so stay tuned. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.